Hi guys, magmamukbang ako guys. Mukbang tayo guys. Tingnan niyo yung kakainin ko. Ayun, may juice ako dyan. May tubig. May pizza. May salata or vegetable salad. May cinnamon bread. Tsaka rice. At tsaka yun. Pinakulo ang ba yun? Okra. At tsaka may sili dyan. At tsaka suka. Yun lang. Okay, we'll start with no salt. Kain na tayo guys. Dandahan lang nakain na.